Hey guys, it's Abel, and I'm going to be going on a 30-minute, hopefully, walk today. I just took some medicine so I will be able to walk better, and I'm going to be vlogging everything. So, I will see you when I get outside. Hey everyone, so I'm starting my walk, and I'm gonna try to make it the full half hour and try vlogging this. It's probably really unsteady doing this. Hello, my broken car. So yeah, it's also hard because I have to keep the umbrella over the camera, and I kind of feel like an idiot doing this, but maybe I will get used to it. You can see some of the neighborhood behind me, but I'll be giving like little highlights to, I don't know, like little cute things or cute houses or, I don't know, plants. Anyway, so my day today was alright. I had an appointment with my nutritionist, and that went pretty well. It was my first time going there, so they were just, getting to know what I do, like what I eat, and they're gonna look up recipes and stuff and help me with my liver. And sorry, I'm going under a tree. They're gonna help me with, trying to get back into my regimen and, do things more to help with, like, being more healthy, not just like losing weight per se, but yeah, so that's what happened. So yeah, on my walk, there are these really pretty flowers. A lot of people have really nice, like, gardening skills and stuff. But yeah, I love seeing the tulips looking like they're giving kisses everywhere. Adorbs. Usually I walk with a partner, so I'm not used to being really quiet. Not really sure what to even talk about on here. I don't really feel like doing a trance rant or anything like that. I don't know, I wanted to have like a fun, nature-y experience. Ooh, one of my favorite trees is coming up. I don't know, we live in a pretty cute neighborhood. It's pretty safe here, which is why I like it. But this is one of my favorite trees. It's gorgeous. I love the white bark. Some cute little shrubberies around it. Yeah, they did a really cute job with their gardening. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it's pretty cute. Hopefully people don't think I'm a creep. Just showing how pretty the houses are. Hopefully no one gets motion sickness. But yeah. Trying to stay steady. I actually brought this stand today. And this is something really pretty to walk under. See what I mean in a minute. Whoops. This is really gorgeous. Some more pretty houses. It's kind of cool seeing all this during the day. I usually go for later night walks, but because I wanted to try vlogging a walk, That's why I'm doing this right now. Plus my roommate was busy, so she said we'll probably walk tomorrow. But yeah, this is something I usually do with her. We just walk around and try to get as many steps in as we can. Trying to decide, I think I want to cross here. Yeah, because that's like a dead end. But yeah. And there's looking up the street. It's gorgeous. Oh. Apparently there's a frog nearby. Wish I could find it. I wonder if it's living in that pond or if it's fake. Don't know. I guess one thing I can talk about today is my look. Doing like my normal like femme genderfuck, like, I don't know, glittery stuff. So like my eyebrows have like the teal glitter, and then I had a pumpkin lip on earlier, but some of it wiped off. Oh, there's more flowers. Cool. But yeah, I have my sparkle triangle, which you can't really see right now. But yeah, much happier with my sparkles on. Let's see. Oh, that's really pretty over there. I think I'm gonna go this way. Here's more pretty flowers. So yeah, I'm actually kind of, I don't know, trying to open up to my feminine side, even though I show it a lot. I'm actually have a really hard time expressing it. So it's almost doing immersion therapy every time I, try to do more femme looks. I kind of really want to show that house because it's like super bright ass, well, pastel pink. So that's kind of really neat for a house. So alright, so here's that pink house. Thought it was pretty cool. I'm probably going to go over there to walk around the cul-de-sac to get more steps in, so see you in a bit. So we're coming to one of the cul-de-sacs that I usually go around. There's this really cool gnarly tree, and like with the rock detail. It's pretty cool. Everyone has really nice lawns, damn. But yeah, this is one of the normal cul-de-sacs that I walk around. It's really nice and pretty. I'll probably film some of the flowers. Cutest little tree ever. Just saying. This is a neat, like, setup here. Pretty cute house. I don't know. I can't wait to have my own house someday. There's one house that Shelby actually showed me that she wants, but I also want it. It kind of looks witchy to me, so that's why I'm like, ooh, totally my style. I also really love that house too. Like, it's perfect surrounded by those trees. They're so gorgeous. Alright, so here is where I'm just going to show you some still shots. I love the moss on this, it's really cool. I'm now going to show you some more flowers. They're really cute. These flowers kind of look like the ones I used to play with as a kid. I used to make potions out of them. Alright, so here's another cul-de-sac that I usually walk through, or around, I guess. Cool, cool. This tree is just too cool. Try to get a zoom in on the... So pretty. It's probably not going to be as high res, but yeah, cool tree. Here's another really cool tree. I don't know if you guys are into these kind of videos that I'm trying to do, but I don't know, it's really cool. It's like gnarly and like mossy and stuff, and like kind of almost, I don't know, dark and stuff. And then as you get higher, it's like, oh my god, happy. So yeah, I like it. So I feel like I'm doing more like stopping and taking pictures than actually like talking in this video. I'm not sure if you guys would prefer I do like a nature video with just music, or like something for zen, like meditating and looking at pretty things, or if you'd prefer me have little talks on these. I'm kind of just making these for myself, so I'm not really sure, because like I'm trying to, I don't know, kind of like, what is it? I'm working on self-love, so that's what these videos are kind of, for me at least, about. Oh, there were tulips behind us. They were so pretty. But yeah, oh, that's a cool tree. I keep getting really distracted by everything that's really pretty. There's a low branch coming up, so yeah. Sorry, I don't know, it's my first time vlogging like this, and I don't really have anything exciting going on in my life too much, but yeah. So I totally just looked like a creeper. One was walking their dog and probably thought I was nuts. But I found these, I think they're lilac, yeah. One second, I'm going to show you. Look at these babes, they're so cute. Nothing is helping me stay stable armed. Even with this mini tripod thing. There we go. I think that's more close to the flower I used to play with when I was little and make potions out of it. But I think the ones I used to play with were usually fuchsia. These are so cute. I really, really, really want a fence like this for my house someday. So freaking gorgeous. So I actually had someone just say hi to me, and we're asking how I am and who I am and stuff. I'm just like, I'm one of the neighbors that lives over there, and they're just like, oh cool, hi, and that was really neat. It was a nice experience, even though I was kind of startled at first because I heard hey, but I wasn't sure if they were talking to me, and then they said, how are you? And I was like, oh, hi, I'm good. So that was neat. That was my one human interaction today on my walk. So usually seeing things grouped together kind of freaks me out, but it's really cool how these hens and chicks like take over. I'm probably not going to put too much of them in my video because when they group like that, like I said, it freaks me out. I'm really digging that tree next to the green one. It's pretty cool. Gorgeous. I'm losing light, but hopefully I got some good footage that you guys will all enjoy. Still going to try to keep taking more. But yeah, I want to make sure that I get my dream house on camera, but I don't think I'm near it yet. Usually I just follow Shelby, so this is my first time going around the whole neighborhood all by myself too. So yeah, I know where I am though, I think, so that's good. And here's another cul-de-sac. This is the one where there was this one cat that came out and was letting me pet him. I would love to have one of these someday. So cool. They did a really nice job. That's the kitty house. I found them. So these are the fuchsia-y, purplish flowers that I used to play with as a kid, like to the T. And then there were some ones that were like more red. So this is awesome, that like childhood flashbacks right now, playing with my brother and sister with these flowers, making potions in one of our neighbors, Naomi's yard. I think about her a lot, even though she passed, but I don't want this to be sad, so this is just a happy memory of, you know, playing with her flowers, and I don't know. Now I'm going over here. It's a really cool view. I probably should be looking at the ground because it's gonna be like half going downhill, so. But yeah. I'm still trying to find that house. I forget which street it's on, but I feel like I'm getting closer to it. But I don't want to have to go uphill because I don't think my back could take it, so I'm just gonna go downhill. But I'm worried it's a dead end, so I might just do, I don't know, the cul-de-sac-y part and then turn around or whatever. But it's really cool because then you can see the other apartments that I was looking into going to get, but still not enough money to do that yet, and I still have surgery coming up, so yeah. Come on, son, I want to get to the house before it's too dark to even see how beautiful it is. Well, I'm gonna keep on walking. That's a cool house, but that's not it. I'll get there. So I accidentally went to the main road, but hopefully I'll get to the house soon. I think it's coming up. I'm not 100% sure, but I know it's like you turn right. I'm not sure if it's this right, but I know like from in our little development area, you turn right, or yeah, right at a certain point. And then the gorgeous house will be there. But I don't know. And if this is a hill, I'm not even gonna try it because I know my house is not on a hill. Oh wait, this is a dead end, so I'm not gonna bother. Ugh. Well, at least I ended up on a place with sidewalk for now. So yeah, I'm still on the journey to find the house that I want to live in, but it's not even for sale. And if it was, I couldn't even afford it. Yeah. Someone has the fireplace lit and it smells really good right now. Hopefully it's coming up soon. I feel like I'm just wandering for like an hour, still trying to find it. Cute car. It's gotta be coming up soon. It's probably too dark to even see it in its glory, but I'm pretty sure it's right behind that trailer. So now, since I'm walking back, we can end with pretty much my feelings during the walk, I guess. I've been in kind of a meh, numb mood all day, but I definitely knew I needed to walk. Seeing the nature really helped, and looking at a lot of the like housing that I like was nice. I know this is probably taboo and a terrible shot, but whatever. I'm amateur, so yeah, I'm gonna get out of the street and go by the pretty lit up house. Oh my god, you can see me. You have to see this house too. It's like freaking gorgeous. Look how freaking whimsical that is. Like freaking gorgeous. That'd be like somewhere to have like that cute like romantic kiss goodnight and then say bye and stuff. I don't know. Maybe I'm being too much of a romantic here, but they do really nice gardening as well. Everything is gorgeous. So I'm definitely glad that I found the house when I did, because my tailbone was starting to have spasms, so I had to like stop walking for a bit. But yeah, it's been a really successful walk. Even though I've been out here for like over an hour, I was probably actually only walking like 45 minutes of it, according to my Fit app for my watch. Like, it's like the Fitbit app thing, but on the smartwatch. So yeah, I'm almost home. I'm probably just gonna end it there. My boyfriend's gonna be home soon, and I've got some editing to do, plus this is terrible lighting and you can't really see anything anyway. So thank you for watching. If you've made it this far, sweet, because I suck and I'm just trying to start doing this for therapeutic reasons, and I don't know, I just really want to start filming and yeah, maybe just make more vlogs and stuff. So thanks for watching again, and Abel out, and please subscribe if you like what you see, and if you want me to do more videos, let me know in the comments on what kinds of videos, or if you have any questions that I could maybe have like a talk about on one, or a talk about on the channel. That'd be great too. So yeah, see you later. Abel out.